Tough one. I'd shout out my old Sevens teammates, Will Muir and Rich Carpentier at prop, Josh Bayliss, hooker, Max Green 9, Ben Spencer fly half, JJ centre, and Gabe Goss, fastest man at the club, on the wing. Olympics was great, World Cup was awesome. I think they're the same, no comment. .3 metres per second. I'd say high jump would be my next one. High jump or 400 metre hurdles. When I started playing, all my uni mates always requested Mark Morrison, Return of the Mac, so I'd probably go with that one. To laugh at, I'd say Will Muir. To laugh with, I'll go Joe Thockenasinger. Huge influence, both the school and the club there were awesome, had some great coaches along the way. Peter Jovanovic, Nick Martin, Alex Presnell all helped out massively and yeah, put me in a great place for where I am now. Split, Franklin's Gardens, best pitch. Such a good turf, love to play there as a winger. And then Kingsholm probably. It's just, yeah, the atmosphere is crazy. I love a hostile crowd. It's awesome to play as a player. In the fridge, always. Phil Burgess, I'd say. Whenever we room, we get medals.